The Mishigo ship. It's a cold day, and people are burning firewood to keep warm. The sheep are having a great time. Warm. Do these two sheep want to join in too?
Jump, everyone!
But their thick walls cover their eyes. A sheep accidentally disrupts the entire music session.
What's going on, sheep? Look around. Sheep's wool.
This is probably the cause.
Uh-huh. We need a sheep shearing machine. Sheep's wool. Bye.
Ensuring safety for the sheep and those around them. Mario wants to lead the flock into the pen first.
Wait here, Luigi.
Wow, here's the sheep shearing machine.
Hello. I'm back.
Let's see how the sheep shearing machine works.
Mario, hold the sheep. Hey, stop. Ruined it.
Focus, Luigi.
Beautiful woolly coat. Oh, I'm sorry.
Jumping again. The sheep must have seen everything clearly now, right?
Wait for me. We'll have a warm sheep wool clothes.
What's next? It's really big and warm. Wow, a piece of cheap wool fabric. Add another bunch. Now we have enough warm clothes for the Mario Brothers.
Gardening is a small matter. Morning on the farm.
Hello.
Mario and his friends start.
Hello.
Spider starts cleaning grass. Mario is going to sow the seeds. Wherever the sewing machine goes, the seeds are sown. Careful. Oh no, the water is all spilled.
Hello.
Luckily, Mario is okay. The water pump. Now what should Mario do to get water for irrigation?
Wow!
Now, let's go back to the farm. I'm back.
Okay.
I need to create a water pump first.
Hello, okay. I'll be there right away.
The farmer goes to help Mario. The water path generator starts working. Powerful rotation. Wherever the machine goes, the groove is created. Just like that, the water paths gradually appear. Good job. Next is the water pump. It's worth looking forward to. water begins to flow into the path. Following the path, water enters the seed beds. The whole field has been watered. Wow! Let's see how watering helps plants grow. Now is the time to harvest the fruits. The tree grows quickly and bears abundant fruit. 1 fruit? 2 fruit. Gardening is a small matter, right?
Oh no!
Oh, I'm sorry. 아하. 그래요. 이게 뭐 내 시간 양념으로 쓰는 거고.
아, 오케이.
How does the hay baler work? Ah, it's hay for the cattle. Oh, the cows are being picky about the hay.
No.
What do they want?
Whoa!
A hay baler? Let's see how the hay is baled. Looks quite professional. Sensation. Oh, the hay is cut into small and easy. What's going on with the cows? Mario, be careful!
I think we need a hay baler. hay.
The grass is growing tall and thick. Wherever the hay baler grows, the grass leaks. Click out.
You come and transport the hay.
Okay. Go.
The hay baler starts working. Contact and uniform. Oh, you did. Now, there's no worry about tall grass or wind blowing it away. Super power drill.
Spider-Man, go get the seeds. Small matter. I'll get the seeds. Here you go.
Nearby, a thunderstorm is brewing.
Goodbye!
A train is approaching. Large boulders fall onto the railway track. Be careful! Everything is in chaos.
Brothers, I need help.
Okay, we're going, okay.
The train track sets off. The crane truck starts, beginning the rescue operation for the train. Okay, here we go. A peculiar machine is placed near the large boulders. Ah, it's a rock drilling machine. Oh, the drill needs a water pipe.
I need a new water pipe.
The new pipe is laid down. Perfect fit. Whoa! Restoring the road for the train.
Okay. Check it.
Wow, hello. Now Spider-Man can continue